Here is how you can permanently block adult websites on your Android phone. So let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. First of all, you can open up the apps on your phone, like go to the application grid on your device, and you need to look for an app which is called Family Link, and it's very likely part of your phone already, but if not, you can just go to the Play Store and then download it as a third-party app. But once you install it, you'll be able to get inside and essentially control your device through this, right? So you can even choose like different accounts, right, and so on. But the point is that you can get inside like this and essentially set up the controlling, right? So you can have the ability to tap on Google Chrome and web, and in here you get to decide what exactly you manage in here. So you can allow all of the sites, or you can try to block explicit sites, which it's going to tell you that no filter is perfect, but this should help hide some sort of explicit content. Or you can go with the most serious option, where you click at the one at the bottom, which is titled only allow approved sites, and then you specifically decide that those websites which are allowed and then nothing else is going to work, right? So that's something which you can do. You also have some advanced settings in here, so you can play with that for more options. And that's essentially how you can make that work. That is the whole point behind it, because using this, you will have the ability to like make sure that those websites are not going to work, right? So that's how you can approach this. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the future upload. So of course, subscribe so you don't miss anything, and I'll talk to you then.